Hello, I'm Mark Chalero, the owner of MS Classic Cars. Today I have the pleasure of presenting you an absolutely magnificent 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Custom. This car is absolutely magnificent in every sense of the word. We have owned and sold over 500 beautiful vehicles at MS Classic Cars. We're proud to say that we hold over 30 world records with Barrett-Jackson as an example. This is a top 5 best car I've ever owned. It's at the top of the list of the best car I've ever seen. In my lifetime, I've seen some magnificent cars over the years. This Camaro is just truly stunning. It makes its own statement. It's spectacular in every sense of the word. Starting with the exterior body, the body is laser straight. The gap lines are impeccable. The hood is amazing, the work they've done. The front end of the car is custom and gorgeous. The rear end is also gorgeous. They integrated the rear spoiler into the deck lid, which looks amazing. It's got billet lenses in the back. The wheels on this car were fabricated for this vehicle. The back was mini tub to fit the larger size tires. It's got an incredible stance. The wheels actually match the exterior color and some of the engine compartment and undercarriage colors as well. Again, all the glass is new, the stainless is new. Everything is essentially the definition of perfection. The interior of this car was completely fabricated. It's all truly one of a kind. The dashboard was made out of metal. The door panels, it was painted this really nice like chocolate brown, which complements the root beer color perfectly. It's got custom gauges, custom steering wheel, tilt column. It's got vintage air conditioning, custom sound system. Again, the attention to detail in these door panels, the door hardware, even the center console is amazing with this waterfall style armrest that it has. Sitting on the seat here are actually some of the awards that the car has won. This is a Roadster Shop Styling and Engineering Award in 2017, a very prestigious award. It also competed at Good Guys 2017, where it won McGuire's Magnificent Masterpiece. It also has a 2018 Builder's Choice Top 10 Award at Good Guys. The car was also autocrossed when it was finished in 2017. So not only is this an amazing looking car, but it also handles amazing too. There's some pictures that we're going to present of the car on the autocross track doing what it's supposed to do. It has less than 150 miles on it since completion, so the car is extremely fresh. The engine compartment is highly detailed. It's all painted the same color as the body. The attention to detail really is second to none. All of the billet that's in there, including the hinges and all the reservoirs, custom cover over the aluminum radiator. The car is powered by an LS fuel-injected engine, so it starts instantly, it runs beautiful, it sounds beautiful out the custom exhaust. The engine is coupled to a 6-speed new Tremec transmission, which shifts beautifully. The power is transferred to the pavement through the 9-inch Curry rear end. It's got all custom suspension, a lot of Detroit speed components, Willwood braking system, 4-wheel disc brakes throughout. Just a super car. The undercarriage is highly detailed. The trunk compartment actually matches the interior as well, so it's really something that has been finished from head to toe and just very special. I can't emphasize enough how you got to check this car out. For a complete description with tons of photos, visit msclassiccars.com. And before I start the car, I want to make one other note. We have a 1977 Ford Bronco Custom that was built by the same builder, and it's in the same condition as this car. You definitely have to look forward to that vehicle getting presented soon as well. So anyway, going to go ahead and start it. Let you listen to how awesome it sounds. Absolutely magnificent.